the soup that saved the lives of thousands of children. To this day, young mothers still use this trusted recipe. Austrian pediatrician Ernst Moro shared it with the world at the beginning of the 20th century. He proved that this simple broth helped the youngest regain their strength. It's made from just 3 ingredients: carrots, water, and salt. Peel about 1 pound of carrots. This vegetable provides vitamins A, E, C, and K, along with minerals like potassium, sodium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Cut the carrots into pieces, place them in a pot, and cover with about 4 cups of water. Cook for around 90 minutes. Moro discovered that carrots prepared this way could support infants in fighting weakness. After cooking, drain the remaining water and puree the carrots until smooth. In the past, people used a potato masher, but today a blender does it faster. Then top the liquid back up to 4 cups with boiling water and add about half a teaspoon of salt. This soup protects children against harmful bacteria. The oligosaccharides in carrots prevent bacteria from attaching to the intestinal walls, which helps stop diarrhea. Thanks to this simple discovery, children found it much easier to cope with illness.